may pinapatalo po yung taong bayan, sir, kasi aside po sa problema sa illegal drugs, problema din po ngayon sa bansa yung disaster response. Disaster response po, sir. Opo. Recently kasi, Mr. President, the current leader has been asking his people what to do at the day of the storm. And we remember you condemning a politician before na sinabi niyo po na dapat hindi ka nagbibigay ng instruction at the day of the storm. Sir, disaster response, ano po ang mensahe ninyo sa ating mga kababayan na hopeless, sunod-sunod po ang mga bagyo, the latest is Super Typhoon Christine, and now meron pong bagyong Leon.
Alam mo, in fairness to the President, kay Mr. Marcos, awa naman si Presidente, hindi naman siya magdapat every typhoon or every mag-order pa siya ng ito. In place na yan. So, there must be a module for every agency that has something to do that would respond to any calamity or fortuitous event that would be nandyan na yan in place. Lalo na yung police pati military, alam na nila yan. There must be a unit in the military na may mga speedboat or a boat somewhere na where they can, automatic na yan. Hindi na kailangan na ano pa. Pati yung police, dapat ganun. At hindi na kailangan ang presidente pa yan. Sila na mismo. Because in every crisis, kaawa naman itong mga police pati military, sila yung nagiging punching bag. But sino naman ang tawagan natin? Who can better respond to a crisis as quickly as the police and the military? Sila yan eh. Na ngayon, kayo mga military and police, I know that you are overworked, overtasked. Galing ako sa Malacanang. Pagpasinsahan na natin yan kasi ganyan ang sitwasyon natin. Maybe at some other time in the future, we can improve on our organization sa gobyerno. Pero sa ngayon, nakasanayan tayo na ganito at the fastest way really for a reactive move, police military. Alam ko nakakaawa pati police, especially if they are put to task for being flagged na ito pagkukulang. Hindi madali yung trabaho nila. Hindi madali yung trabaho. Walang tulog, duty ng 24 hours. Alam ko hirap sila. At alam ko na how they suffer. They're not only enduring it, they're suffering. Pero, alam mo, Adre, yung mga police pati military, tiisin na muna natin kasi ganito ang sitwasyon ng ating bayan. Maybe, in the fullness of God's time, pagka nagkaroon tayo ng kunting improvement sa economy, pera, and we can elect more progressive leaders in the local level, maybe things would improve along the way, but it would take time. In the meantime, yung practice na aabutan natin na gano'n, we'll just have to make for it. Masama man pakinggan, pero pagpasinsahin muna natin kasi yun talaga ang totoo.